On Friday, 27 voters from 10 families joined the IPFT party at an event held at the residence of BAC Chairman Sunil Debbarma in the Mungiakami block. The new members were welcomed by the guests in attendance.
In a move ahead of the ADC elections, 27 voters from 10 families defected from the previous party to join the IPFT. The joining ceremony took place on Friday at the residence of BAC Chairman Sunil Debbarma. IPFT Youth Secretary Debbarma presided over the event where the new members were welcomed by the guests in attendance.
Hambai, ini 21 November 2025, sini East Talent Division Committee, ini Bisingo, Khorang Village, sini Uttam ni netite, 10 family, 27 buta, sini IPFT ini berok, sini IPFT flag rom faika, berong belai kini sini IPFT pokok tiki, berong hambai, besango seng sini Tripura land di mana tu seng besanga agok thamani, berok bawa asa bisas naharino, ini sini awak parti wo, berok sambil faika, berong belai kini sini East Talent Division pokok tiki, ebang IPFT pokok tiki, berong hambai jana goi, ini awak joining program, sequence sini joining program, seng besang tu sini joining program dongo, seng besang mukai tham.
IPFT long live, IPFT long live, Youth IPFT long live, IWFT long live, Atisa long live, বিভিন্ন পাতিয়া করেছেন IPFT বানারমনে রমন চুংখাবাই খুবাই লাম সগো বিভিন্ন পাতিয়া করেছেন IPFT পার্টি বানারম ফাইনে রমন চুংখাবাই খুবাই লাম সগো IPFT long live, IPFT long live.
Present were BAC Chairman Sunil Debbarma, Dhananjay Riang and Debbarma. Reported by Biplov from Mungiakami, Chini, Khorang.